Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this BMW X5 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So you're going to need two solutions in order to prep them. The first solution is our Slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is Tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water as well. And for this one, you can have the hood open. That way you have more access to the top section of the headlight in order to prep it completely clean. So just apply Slip solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have, and also clean the surrounding area. That way, just in case the tint does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And now for our second solution, just flip your towel to a clean side and spray the Tack solution to the microfiber towel. And what this does is it helps remove any oils, contaminants, grease, or any coating that the headlight may have. So we want the headlight to be clean. That way the film is able to tack down to the headlight. Okay, so once we finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. So apply Slip solution to the lens and Slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we want to start by aligning it on this edge of the headlight first. So align it on the edge, should be good there. Once you have it aligned on the edge right here, lift it carefully and apply Tack solution underneath the film. Make sure it stays aligned, and then apply it on top. Grab your squeegee and tack it down. Make sure you're still holding the film. That way the film doesn't move as you're tacking it down. Okay, so once you finish securing this end, now we need to stretch the film to reach it to this edge here. So in order to stretch it, make sure that the film is still slippery. So if it's not, just add a little bit of Slip solution. But if you're able to move the film around and stretch it, you should be good. So just stretch it up to the edge. Make sure everything stays aligned on the top, bottom, and the corner. Lift the film carefully and apply Tack solution underneath. That way we're able to start tacking it down. Hold it in position, apply Tack solution on top, grab your squeegee, and start tacking it down. We need to make sure we secure this section, that way the tint doesn't try to go back to its original shape. So just tack it down and secure this edge. Okay, and for this section here, you are going to notice that there is a couple fingers here and that the headlight goes down like this. So in order to secure it, just apply Tack solution with a little bit of heat in order to seal the top and also the bottom in case you do have fingers. So you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer for this part. Use the low setting and apply heat where you see those fingers. As you're applying heat, try breaking them down with your finger. That way they become smaller and it will be much easier to tack down. Okay, once you apply heat, all you're going to do now is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and start tacking it down. Make sure when you squeegee at an angle. That way you don't crease the fingers. And then for this section here, hold the squeegee for a couple seconds. That way the film stays tacked down. And do the same all around on the top. Don't forget about the top here, and we should be good. So the film should look flat like this, no fingers. Double check. If you do see any fingers, just grab your heat gun and apply heat to help them shrink and tack down. Okay, and once we're done with the installation, we can move on with the last step, which is post heating. So in order to post heat the headlight, just apply Tack solution to the lens. And you're going to use your heat gun. You could use the low or the high setting for this part. If you do use the high setting, just make sure you're applying heat evenly and not to focus on one area for too long. And as you're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down and remove any solution that are trapped around the edges. so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the BMW X5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.